Hi, I'm Dr. Linda Marquez-Gedine, functional medicine practitioner and chiropractic doctor. Did you know that over 20 million Americans have a thyroid disease? 60% of them don't even know it, and 1 in 8 of them are women. And of these women, most of them have something called hypothyroidism, which is a low-functioning thyroid. And those that have the low-functioning thyroid have Hashimoto's thyroiditis, which is an autoimmune condition that is impacting the thyroid. So if you've been to your doctor and you're gaining weight, you're tired, they tell you your lab tests are normal, maybe your menses are off, you're infertile, you're constipated, your cholesterol numbers are elevated, you're cold all the time, and you're tired all the time. It doesn't matter how much sleep you get, you just feel exhausted and you feel that something just is not right. It's probably your thyroid, and most of the time when patients come to see us, that's what we find out that it is, because they have a low functioning thyroid, and most doctors do not take that extra step to test, to do the proper testing. So in these 10 days, what you're going to learn is what is the thyroid, what are the hormones, what do those hormones do, what are the hormones you have to test, and what do the ranges mean? What are the foods that actually hurt the thyroid? What are the foods that help the thyroid? What about exercise that impacts the thyroid? And also, what are some of the alternative modalities that are available to optimize your thyroid health? And once again, how can we all work together with your doctor so that you are on the right track? That's what you're going to learn over the next 10 days. This is a 10-day reset course because it's jam-packed with information, so that within 10 days you're going to know what you need to do, what actions and steps you have to take, and you're going to have a plan of what you need to do by the end of 10 days. So if this sounds something that you want to do with us, I guarantee it'll be worth your time, and money back guarantee if this does not work for you or if you don't get the value that we just talked about. No problem. So 10 days. That's all we need is 10 days, and we're going to get you on the right track. So register today, because we do have limited seating and we will fill up quick. So we'll see you soon.